So guys, ang tag-iya nagpadungog-dungog kay na ako noy check engine light ang iyang sakyan ano. So ato kining tan-awon dayon wa makita mahibalo aning iyang OBD port ug asa kini. So ato kining tabangan og pangita. Tabang kamo pangita normally naara sa mga driver side gyud. So atong gi sulayan og tan-aw diri OBD ports wa gyud tayo makita. So ang last move na to ani, since wala ta kabalog ahad pita, ato ning tangtangon ang iyang dust cover no, I mean funnel like siguro pa plastic clip ang gani, mga plastic clips diri yeah. So nara diri ang iyang OBD port. So karon ato kining saksakan og diagnostics o may bawaan na kung sa hinungdan sa iyang check engine light no. So yeah, turn on number 2 position and then we will see what's going on inside the ECU and what being registered was the faulty code. So enter, you have to read codes, enter camshaft timing advance patay. Ganito guys, basta mga camshaft timing. $172 kini, and then ang iyang fault code is camshaft position timing over advance. So maaring nagalaw na kini or nag-jump ng 1 teeth. Remember guys, this is a timing chain. Timing chain kini nga makina. So whether or not na usog no or nag-jump ng 1 teeth yung kanyang timing chain or yung kanyang timing sprocket kibali nag-jump ng 1 teeth. Kaya pagka mga ganitong sitwasyon, mga camshaft timing position sensor, bihira lang ito lalabas guys, not unless kung the timing, something wrong with the timing. Okay, so this is kind of unusual since 172 pa ito. May tanong natin sa may-ari nito kung baka merong it is covered by warranty, and if it is covered by warranty, so hindi natin ito pwedeng galawin. So we have to delete this one first, delete, as long as we have the record already na camshaft timing yung ano. So delete, and then we start again. So this is unusual because this is 172 guys, and then meron na siyang camshaft timing over advance. So whether or not natandog yung kanyang timing, nag-jump ng 1 teeth yung kanyang sprocket. So nawala na yung kanyang engine light. Again, ano natin, since ang ginawa natin dito is electric parking brake, i-disengage natin. Disengage, engage, Okay, so yan lang guys. So abisuhan natin yung may-ari nito na ang cost ng kanyang check engine light is telling about timing. So whether or not yung kanyang timing nagalaw or even nag-jump ng 1 feet, ang kanyang sprocket or timing chain nag-jump, kaya lumalabas na timing position advance. So yan lang muna guys, and then that's the OBD location also. Nakakita diri sa syudad banda, kasi mag day off na natin, no? And then pupunta tayo ng Spanya, so sa ating holiday. So kaya minadali natin itong mga booking natin para ma-accommodate lahat. Merong pang nagpahabol, so hindi pa natin ma-accommodate yung mga importante lang muna, yung mga inuuna natin like brakes and whatever, timings and whatever. So but ipapaalam natin to sa may-ari. So the brake pads here is done, as you can see there. So that is how to track the car computer guys, when you have to change the brake pad. So you have to track the computer if you have electric parking brake system on your car. So track the computer by doing start the engine, and then disengage the electric parking brake, like put on neutral, and then put the gear on neutral, or if you have automatic, put the gear shifter on automatic, neutral, and then disengage the parking brake, and then jack up the rear wheel up, and then you should be able to change the brake pads or brake disc. Whatever you do, you have to do it in a split seconds, like you have to be quick, otherwise yung kanyang electric parking brake solenoid mag-engage ito, and then ipupush niya yung brake piston, and then malaking problema pagka na-push out na yung brake caliper piston, so magli-leak yung kanyang brake fluid. So that's the one thing to do, to be avoided, no? So you have to be quick in changing electric parking brake pads or brake discs. You have to be quick, so don't delay, don't waste time, you have to be quick. Okay, and then after changing it, like the two position brake pad position already, you have to press the brake pedal. You have to pump it until it get hard, and once it get hard, that means the brake fluid compress already to the brake caliper piston. Once it compress, then engage parking brake and disengage, and then turn off the engine and turn it back on again, and then that will back to normal. So again, this is a Peugeot 3008, and it has also a serious problem, like some kind of timing issue, like the camshaft position over advanced. So on my perspective, the timing chain has to be redone, like have to check or to be redone. Okay, the timing is not normal, like the timing has to be on 00 timing marks, not advanced, not retired, not nothing. So thank you guys, and bye bye.